Here is a live Twitter feed that we've placed into the app that will update, and if we tap here, you can actually tweet to the account that you've used to set up your Twitter feed. And this all happens within the app, because if you press done, you go back to the page. To add your Twitter account into your app, first of all, you're going to need something called your Twitter ID. So once you're signed into your account, if you just go up here to Settings and Help, and if we go down here to Settings, now what we need is this Widgets tab here, and we want to create new. So this is where you can control what you want this Twitter feed to look like. So here's our username at UmphHQ. Here we can select what height we want it to be, and the theme. So we could change it to a dark background and it updates, or you can have a light background. Once you've done that, you just click on Create Widget, and then you take this code at the bottom and select it all and copy it. Now we go into our page where we just draw, well first actually we'll just paste that code in here, just so we have it. Just make that bigger so you can see. And now we're just going to draw a box where we want our Twitter feed to go. And I'm just going to make that transparent. Now I go to my hyperlinks. We just type in capital T and then Twitter. Then the word timeline with a capital T, comma, ID equals. Just untick shared hyperlink destination. Then we go to the code that we've just pasted, and as you can see here, it says ID equals. So all we need is that number. We copy that number, and then we go back to our hyperlink, and we just paste that in there. So we've got Twitter timeline, comma, ID equals, and there's our ID. And now we just delete that, and there we go. There's our Twitter timeline created. And when you just export this page, you will find that your Twitter feed will automatically stream into your little hyperlink that you've created there. So in our folder that we've created called 10-article 1, we just export this as L1-1. That's page 1, export.